consistent income. I used to be up at 3 o'clock in the morning watching every YouTube video that said, if you're broke, do this. Or if you're not having enough money, if you got $100, do this. And I got tired of not having consistent income, not being able to be a yes dad. That when we go to Chuck E. Cheese or when we go for ice cream, that we don't have to leave because I don't have money, or we don't have to leave because I don't have the time because daddy gotta go to work or mommy gotta go to work now, so we gotta stop. We gotta put down the fun, put down the memories, because this is what it is. We gotta go. But here's the thing. You gotta understand that I am learning something. I am learning the most valuable skill set in human history. So even though I'm disabled, even though I'm not tech savvy, even though I am not sure what I'm doing, I am still getting the guidance, still getting the direction, and I am going to change my life. And I want you to come with me, not just to see the process, but to learn how to do it for you too. So I want to show 10,000 people over the next 12 months how to do exactly what I am learning to do now. So if you want to do that, if you're serious about getting more time, more income, and more memories with your family that will never go away, definitely put ready in the comments, and I would love to share it with you. That's the difference.